Alright, what's up YouTube? So I'm gonna do a quick update on my last video where I showed you a setup I had going on Bitcoin. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at it together. Alright, so here's the setup that I had going on Bitcoin, right? And if you check the video, I'll link it. It's in the left corner, right there, somewhere in that area. All right, so this is the idea I had drawn out on Bitcoin, right? And watch the video from earlier today if you want a full breakdown of the whole my whole thought process here. And now I want to show you what actually happened and how I managed this trade. So I did enter down here, and my first take profit was up at this last local high up here, but I actually exited this trade way too early, and I want to break down like why I exited this one. So first of all, we had a test of this area, not the exact level, but this area here. So that kind of made me feel a little bit hesitant because I want price to dive into my entry and just take off, right? So this first little bounce here made me not feel great, right? And we then had the real test here. We came down and test this area again, and when we got rejected up here, I felt like, well, you know what, I'm just gonna exit this position, because if we come down and test this entry again, we are most likely going to go lower, right? So I did exit this one, and I did update this trade in real time on Twitter. So if you go to my Twitter page profile, you will find the thread I had going on this one if you scroll down, and you can see real time what my thought process were. And I did also mention in that trade that you might have, you might get a new chance on this trade here if you got a rounded retest like you had here. Obviously, you never got that rounded retest here, so this setup would have been invalidated, right? So let's just remove that one. But I did like here you got the rounded retest. You could have entered here, right? But I did exit this one way too early. But I know some people that actually followed this did take some profit up here, so some congratulations to you guys. And I'll also show you the trade on Bitstamp, which this is a more not a scalp setup like this one, but it's a more higher time frame idea. And the idea here is the same, right? You get the breakout and you go into long the first retest of this area. You got the first retest right here, which took you right up to take profit. So if you would have your entry a little bit higher than I had, you would have been in a profit in about an hour, right? 2 hours. So very fast, quick trade on Bitcoin. And right now it kind of looks like we are going up to hit this area for a second time. So a great trade. Just too bad that I exited the trade too early. But I felt like I might have had a too big of a position, to be honest, and that kind of made me feel hesitant holding it. All right, so we might actually hit take profit. Right, there we go. Finally, perfect, beautiful. On live recording too. That's can't get any better than that, right? Let's take a look at the XBT charts. So we are now up in this area up above here, and let's go back to Bitstamp. Looking good, looking good, looking good. I might get a new trade coming up here, so yeah, let's see if we can get a new video out tomorrow if we get in on another trade. And check out my Twitter profile. I will update you guys on everything that I'm going to enter on Bitcoin, obviously, on my Twitter. And if you are interested in seeing like everything I trade, all coins, forex, Bitcoin, everything, go over to thebirdnest.com. We have a trading community going, and if you decide to join the exclusive Nest Club members, you will get all these updates in real time and before everyone else. All right, so take care guys, and see you in the next video.